Hello everybody, I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today, a significant thing happened in the financial market. While you're sitting there at work, while you're sitting there playing around, the inverted yield curve happened. That's right, that's when the 2-year Treasury bond is higher than the 10-year Treasury bond. That's significant. Stay tuned, find out why. And please, like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. Well, I'm sitting down here at Grandma's house. Bless her heart. Anyhow, South Florida. Yes, I'll be at the trip August 17th. Trip rides. Official launch August 17th since I'm down here in South Florida. So anyhow, the inverted yield curve. Why is this significant? Because every time that this has happened in the past, there has been a recession. We're already in a recession, but now it's confirmed. So now you can plan ahead. That's right. What the wealthy know and you don't know, stocks, bonds, what happens when the markets do this and they make easy money? Stock market's going down. You already know that when there's an inverted yield curve, some of you may know, some of you may not, the stock market's going to go down. You can make money when the stock market goes down. That's right. Right now, today, people are making money as the stock market goes down while your 401k is going down. That's what the wealthy know. They also know things that I told you. TIVX, the velocity index. There's a TVIX. I mentioned it about 2 weeks ago or a week ago. Could put your eye on it. At the time I bought mine at $13.93. I think we're almost doubled right now. The question is, are we going to be greedy and take the profits and then just sit back and relax? Or are we going to invest some more money in TIVX? There's other things, precious metals that we've discussed before. What have you had to do? Gold, silver, platinum, palladium. When we talked about it almost 6 months ago, what was it? $14.50, $14.25, $14.95. We were talking about it then. Keep your eye on it. Maybe invest a little bit. Well, today it's over 17. $3 more than what we talked about. But never fear. You can still get in. Get a little bit, like I said, you can get a gram, you can get an ounce, get a gram of gold, get an ounce of silver. All under $100, all under $50 actually. Well, now, gram of gold's gonna be, well, it might be over 50 now. Ounce of silver, $17 and more actually. So it's up to you what your tolerance level is. Apmex, SD Bouillon, it's down below. You can see it, the links are down below. Just go there, click on them, order up. What else are we gonna talk about? Yeah, last but not least, everybody wants a house. Everybody wants to do something with their mortgage. Well, here's a perfect time. Mortgage rates, they're going to continue to go down. So if you have a house already, refi. If you want to buy a new house, get an adjustable rate mortgage. But you got to have an out that it doesn't cost you to refi. And also, you want to make sure that you can do something within 2 to 5 years. As far as refining into a fixed mortgage, because the fixed mortgage rate is going to be so low. So when the economy gets better in a few years, the mortgage rates are going to go up. It'll cost you a little bit more. This is how you play the game. So you can plan ahead. These are little strategies that the wealthy do. And once again, make your money, earn money for you in good times and in bad times. And someone called me up today and we were talking about DCU, where your first 1,000 gets 6% on your money. Yeah, that didn't sound like much, but $5 every month from your 6%, and then you reinvest it. Yeah, it just adds up. Or you could have bought some shares of stock with other people's money. Think about it. So, this is going to be short and sweet as well, because everybody's going to be talking about the inverted yield curve. We're talking about Bloomberg, CNBC, CNN, everybody, Fox Business News, everybody's going to be talking about it. And don't believe the hype. It's already started. I've been warning you for the last year, 6 months. And that's all I'm gonna say. We all know it's hard out here. So please, like, subscribe, and click the bell so you get the latest updates. And keep working. Make your money work for you. The Stop Struggling Now way. So keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.